Hold on, let me see this.
You wanna see this?
Hold on.
Hold on. Hold on.
Is that sushi?
Is that juicy?
It's not me, you know. We flip that. We flip that. We flip that. This. Alright. That's all I gotta say, right? So look, this time we're gonna do it. We're gonna hopefully do it, right? This is my first time, so this is like off the top. Like, this is freestyle work. Like, we don't do this out here. Like, I still. But, alright, so y'all just seen Curry in the last video make his Doritos chicken. So we're gonna make Doritos shrimp. Alright? He may have, you know, listen, let's pray for my boy. Alright? Because he's DOA. Put the wasted. Look, there we go. Look, so we got our shrimp, right? We got our flour, we got our Doritos, we got our egg wash, right? We got our, you know, our seasonings. So what we're gonna do first, right? We're gonna leave our protein right here. We got some French fries in the back, French frying. Right? Bonjour. You gotta put a little wee in there. Pause. Hey y'all. No, but I mean it's like a sound effect. Get me. You get me.
Paris.
You get me in there as well. Look, so we're gonna season our flour, right? You're gonna put some Larry's. We're gonna put some Larry's in there. We're gonna put enough Larry's, right? This ain't Karen. Put some pepper. Let's go. That's enough. Now, when I say that, it's like this is probably about a teaspoon of pepper, about a teaspoon of Larry's. Put about you know, same shit. This though. We want about a half a tablespoon. Put a half a tablespoon in here, right? Boom. Any excess go in there too. Let's go. No salt. I just had it up there just to flex. I'm doing this for my boy, Joji. So you gonna appreciate this one. 1/4 cup of flour in here, but then it has a pouch of what's it called? That ranch powder. You know, just to add more ranch to it. So it's shrimp coated. Listen, we get dirty over here. From there to your egg. From your egg to your, right? Get coated. We're gonna test out the 3. See how it goes. I haven't tried this before. So I honestly don't know how this is gonna go. So I'm gonna bring you guys over there so we can fry this up real quick. And then see how this is, right? We have our French fries in there. Let's see. So we're over here at the station. I never see this part of my house. Listen, y'all can't actually
blur me out, pixelate my face.
All right, the oil is hot. Listen, I got some stuff in here. Don't look at it. I'm putting that in my pocket. All right, look. Don't listen to that. Everybody knows air fryers make the best French fries. It's in there. We're gonna do something crazy with the French fries. So we're gonna put our Doritos shrimp. Looks like it's cornflakes. Get that in there. Right now, we did two tests, right? Because I put this stuff right there. I want to see what it tastes like without the coating. So we have without coating as well. Let's go. What if you don't like that crunchy shit? What if you got no teeth? You just want to suck on it. What if you just wanted to suck on it? Yeah, this is shrimp. It doesn't take long to cook. Everybody knows that. Like, once that shit hit the hot oil.
Well, they're cutting out their building and share my stage. Come on, look at all that oil on my ground.
Cause you know all that oil on my shrimp is gonna make it burn. So you gotta be able to, you know, start flipping them. Come on, let's go. It's kind of like shallow frying them as well. There's not that much oil in here. It's almost done already. You see that? You see why you should be eating this? You a weirdo. You worse than Zach. Can I get a napkin for attack? Don't talk to me. Get back. Okay, I'm not a rapper. I'm sorry. I was just trying it. So. We got our French fries, right? So what I wanted to do, right? Listen, this is just off the cuff. All right? We got our shrimp here. We got our fries. We're gonna put our fries in here, right? We're gonna season our fries. With our fries, I'm gonna put some of this right here. Listen, it's not that great, but it's a fry seasoning. It's a delicious fry seasoning, right? We're gonna put some of this in here. You put this on your fries, right? All right, then we're gonna put some ranch seasoning by Doritos. All I don't know. You see, you get it, right? Put some right there. Boom, right? Get some in there. Just cause. We're gonna toss it all together. Yeah, in there. On there, right there. Oh shit. Listen, he ain't the only one that could listen. I get crazy too. This is for Hopper. This one's for Hopper. Hopper, it's for you. Listen, if you go to every fucking black Instagram that sell food, they always doing this shit. To end it off, we're gonna do the one thing. We're gonna with the parsley. Listen, I ain't eating that. Listen, when it's my time to taste this shit, I'm going to blow that shit off of it. As you can see, you know, I did my thing. I think I did. I don't know what it tastes like yet, right? So we're gonna find out. You know, I still got him here. Might kick him out. Listen, he almost poisoned everybody. Listen. Put the picture of the chicken next to me. All right, so as you can see, sir, I have my Doritos and I have my Doritos and my ranch seasoned shrimp. So obviously you can tell the difference. I did a little mixture. You know, I put a little greens on top because I know you're trying to, you know? Listen, he was doing push-ups before the video. I'm not lying. All right, go ahead. You actually, you know what? I trust my abilities. This is the. No, you only in one. Get the real shrimp, eat it. Sick of your shit. That's not it. The other one. Trying to break the fucking rules. We're not doing this. No, don't dip it. Taste it by itself. What are you doing? Listen, you're not gonna come on my channel and you did a whole video and you trying to fuck up the whole formula. You just taste the food and go home. AKA behind the bar, that's where you say, you know, that's where you stay. How is it? Be honest.
It's good.
It's good?
It's real good.
Let me try.
It's real good.
Is it? Mm-hmm. This is another one, Dorito. I don't.
This motherfucker don't miss.
No, he's fucking good.
That motherfucker don't miss, man.
He's
Hold on. Hold up. Would I add this into my rotation? I like it. Would I add it to my rotation? No, because I'm not gonna waste no damn chips. Exactly.
It's good. It's real fucking good.
Hold on, man. You know, ranch. That's my secret sauce. Y'all can't have that. That's why I didn't put it on the video.
Secret sauce, small cat.
Let's go. I'm on. Go ahead. Go ahead. Get in there. I'm on.
Oh yeah. That's good. That's real good.
Wait a minute. Oh, my bad. I'm a demon. Get out of here. Go with your chicken. Listen, guys. With all that being said, though, we did it. It was a lot of technical difficulties. Listen, different lightings, right? But how was it?
What, shrimp?
No, like just like shooting a video.
Shooting a video all together.
Be honest.
It's a lot more that goes behind into these videos than I thought they actually did. These videos are not that long. They're not that long.
But with that being said, my bad. I done got the chilling mode. You know, I'm eating the shrimp and all this stuff. Look, guys. With that being said, though, thank you guys for stopping by. Thank you guys for showing up and watching the video. If you guys got here this far, you know, I do appreciate you guys. I want you y'all know that. I always say it. It's kind of cliche. It's kind of boring. I'm doing a giveaway. Free hugs for the next 2 months. DM me.
Bring it in.
Get the fuck away from me. I'll catch you guys in the next video. I don't know what the fuck it's gonna be, but if you guys do have suggestions, I always tell you guys, put it in the comment section below. Smash that like button. Button?
Yeah.
Listen, obviously, back the fuck up. This is my video. You did yours, boy. Back up.
With that being said, though, guys, you guys have a good one. I'll see you in the next one.